Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to create awesome user profile by using React and Next.js. So in this tutorial, we will use this framework to make user-friendly profile. So let's go and see how this works. As you see in my screen, I'm using Visual Studio Code Editor. Here I have folder of front-end where my code of front-end of React will reside on. So here, first of all, in this folder, I will create a folder known as pages. In this, I will create index.js. Okay. So let's see how to create this user-friendly profile. Okay. First of all, I will import React the component from React. Okay, second, I will import some component from semantic UI React. Semantic UI React act like a bootstrap module. So semantic is like a bootstrap. It is used to provide some components which will help to build our front end much more better and in simple way. So I will import header with and the icon from semantic React. So okay, now let's create our component. Let's call it profile. Extend component. Let's do this. Okay. Now from here, let's say we have return. Oh no, render. We need to return something. Okay. Let's use. So here the right brackets because this is lifecycle method in the lifecycle method. Okay. So I return here. Let's say we have div. I think it is div. Let's say we have div. Let's put div here. Yeah, div. Let's send some link here to add a section to add the tag of our document storage to add some style sheet in the configuration of semantic UI React. So let's do this. Let's say now we have something which looks like, let's use this here, container component. Let's also input container here. this head is imported from Next.Js. For one which don't know about Next.Js is module which is used to add some functionality to React module or React framework. So this Next used to add some cool features to React framework. So it is good to know and to use it. Okay? So let's have it here. So this head is component which is used to send this code here in head tag of our HTML document, which will be rendered in our browser. So as I said, we need to have semantic React style sheet in our document. So we need head in order to send the linking to add semantic React functionality. So we need link here. I send to this link. Will look like this style sheet. Oh, well, style sheet. Let's do so this is Sidebar, HTTP, Sidebar, this bootstrap, cdn.com, bootstrap, for 1.3.1, CSS, bootstrap, .min.css. Okay, so this is our href. Okay, and then this link should be copied by using this. Okay, so this is configuration which will make us use semantic React components. So these components here like header, container, grid, and icon will be powered by using this link. Okay, so as I said, semantic React is like a bootstrap. That's why you see here bootstrap CDN, bootstrap.min.css. It works the same as bootstrap. Yeah. Let's add another link here. Also to enable semantic React style sheet. HRF or CDN, CDN.js, cloud, com, Ajax, threads, semantic UI 2.2.12 semantic .min.css. So it's complete just like that. Okay, now let's go to our code. Okay, let's get here. If let's say this is our profile. Okay, let's export this module. Export default profile. Okay, let's run our React script or React code by using npm lambda npm lambda. Then let's go in our browser. in our browser here, search for hosting. This one should work, guys. So let's say container. We have two containers here in our code. So let's remove one of them. This one again. This one. Yeah, this is our profile. As you see here, it's worked fine. So let's now start to build this profile page. Okay. So I will create this CSS file so as to have my styling there in that file. Let me create here CSS file front end. Let me create static folder. In this, I will put CSS folder. In this CSS, I will get a file known as profile.modules.css. Okay. So let's import that file here. Import styles from which is static css profile.module.css. Okay. So in this file, I will put some styling to apply in my page. Okay. For example, let's apply here. I will say class name styles.flow. Let's say flow. Okay. Say flow and test this flow. Let's test font weight bold. Let's say again font weight bold. Then let's say font size 200%. As you see, it worked before. I will use this file to write my styling, then I will apply it here. Okay. So let's go and see how this works. Okay. Let's start. This is my profile. I'll say this. I will have another. I have grid component imported from semantic UI layer. This grid is like a low column functionality of a bootstrap module, so it works the same. So now I have grid here. First, let me apply some styling here. Let's use class name style dot. This is the code here. Okay. So then I will apply some styling here. I will say so guys, it's index. Okay. I will say here. I will say I want width for, let's say, 1%. Then I want to imagine padding top of 4%. Then I want this will work. Maybe margin left. Let's say 30%. How about this? 30. No, let's make 20%. It is okay. Yeah. So now I will go here and I will create a grid. Let's remove this. I will have grid. grid, then I will have grid.column of width. Let's make maybe 6 to 8, 6 to 8, 6 to 8. Let's make 7. Then here I will say I want to have let's say P. Let's use here profile. Let's make profile. Let's make another P of profile. Let's say notification. Okay, let's say we have P of change password. Let's also have P of logout. Okay, so we have these 4 paragraphs. Okay, and from here, let's say also I have one column, second column, column of width. Let's make width to 9. Okay, then here I have, let's say, this is your profile. Okay, let's say this. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, I think everything is good. So here I will have profile, notification, change password, and logout. Okay, everything is good. Then in this flow, I want to, let's see also this. Let's use div here. Let's use div. Okay. Div here. Okay. Let's use platform. Let's say side. Let's sidebar. Then here I have another class of sidebar. I want to have background of black. Okay. Then here, let's say I have for all of these. So I need to have pattern of styles. For style, let's say color for paragraph. For the guide, paragraph for color. Let's say color. I need to have font weight. Bold. Also, I need to have font weight. I need to have color. Okay. So I will see our profile, notification, change password, and logout. Also, maybe around padding of 2%. See? It's okay about this. Okay. Also, it's for good 2%. I have also margin rate. Let's make it 4%. Yeah, it's okay now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here in index.js here, I'll have, let's say I have this for each sidebar section. This div will be used to give information about given click option. Okay, so I say this, and I say another this. I say this is buffer. Say B. This is a notification section. Sorry guys, notification section. Okay, as I div, then I have another div of B. Sorry guys, B. This is change the password. The password section. Okay, then I have another one div. I say B. This is a logout section. Let's just left here to reference all of this div. Okay, we have 4 divs, so we use left here to reference them, all of them. So let's use left here. Let's use left. Okay, so here above I will have constructor of block C. Then here I'll say something like this: super blocks. Let's get to left here. Okay, we need to reference all of these paragraphs and these div sections we have created. So I'll say this dot, maybe let's call it, this is the profile section, notification section, change password section, and logout section. So this dot close section equal to React.Get left. Okay, I have another one. Alright, this notification section, then use React.Get left. Alright, then this I have profile notification, change the password section equal to React.Get left. Okay, also I have this to log out equal to React.Get left. Okay, I have all of these sections. So reference all of these divs. I'll start with this. I will say this is equal to this text. Okay, I'll come to this one. I will say this is equal to this not section. Then here I'll say this dot, I think to change set, and this logout section. So let's go to this logout. Okay, so I have all of these reference. I am using React reference, or reference get left. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that I need to create for all of these styles. Okay, styles or styles dot let's say pro. Okay? For this I'll say not pro, perfect. Let's say perfect. For this I'll say class name is equal to styles dot not set. Let's use not set. Here change set. styles dot change set, and they also in this I will say styles class name styles dot logout log out. Okay, yeah, so everything is good now. Let's go and say also for all of this paragraph I need to get the reference for these elements, so as when they are clicked to do some logic, so I need also to create left difference for all of this. Okay, so left this dot para. Then here we say 1, 2, 4, 3. Then you come here. Let's say this dot para 1 equal to React dot create left. Yeah, left. This dot para 2 equal to React dot create left. Then for this dot para 3 equal to React dot create left. Yeah. Then this dot para 4 is equal to React dot create left. Let's do something like this. Okay, everything is good now. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I need, let's say, let's divide this. Actually, I think to make all party views, I need to say so. Okay, let's say this. Say perfect. I want display now. Display block for now. The logic here, guys, is that when this clicked it to display something, when this clicked it to display something, when this clicked it to display something, when this clicked it to display something. So this is a sidebar, and this is explanation of click the link. Okay, I think you've get me. So display block for now. Display block. But for others, like closet, I have closet, or I have something closet, not sec. Okay, not sec. I need you to display for now, man, because initially it is this profile which will be active, while all of these 1, 2, 3 will not be active. So for this, I need all of these to have display block, while all of these to have none until they are clicked in the sidebar. Okay, so that's logic. That's the logic. Let's change. Maybe change the path. Display none. Okay, then here I need logout. Say hey logout, show display none. How about this? Everything is good. I have this is your profile. Change section. Logout. Change sec. Change sec. I have change sec here. Yeah, I should have change sec. Change sec. So everything is good now. Let me preview something. So if everything is good, and first comment this and see Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything is good now, okay? So for now, this is your profile. I need to make this active and they have cursor of point, okay? So I will say here on this bar, I will say bar, I will say para, but hover. When someone hover, I need to make cursor or a cursor pointer, okay? Then I need to make background. Let's find a better background. Not this. I think I should get something like a black white. Yeah. Something like this. So this background also here. It should be a full div. Sorry guys. Full div. A full div. It is process. All of them. I should say here. Process. Over. Also not set. Over. Also change set. Over. Also log out. Over. I need to say, hey, I want your color. It should be like that. So, oh my god. Something wrong here. Why I'm hovering over. Oh! I forget to put the background here. Let's say this. So, how about this? Let's hover. Background tab. It's para. I think something wrong here. Let's say I have all of this out. I need to test it for. How about it? Okay. Something wrong here. Sorry guys. Let's just see. Bit over. Say background white. Let me just see like this. Oh, I think it needs something like this. It is not this. Let me preview my element here. Go B. Why it refuses to behave like I want to. This I think I should remove this. Then I say okay, over cursor is 3 pointer. Everything is good. How about background? Background white. It's refused I change it. What is the problem? Background white. That's the point. Let me inspect this page. Sorry guys, I'll try to explain everything. Where is it? There is nothing. And that's why something because all of these paragraphs are inside this. So I'll see all this. I have deep. So why is this happening? I don't know. But let me try to fix. Okay, I have get an answer. You know, we deal with this paragraph and not this. Okay, we deal with this. So this should be applied here on this component and not this. Okay, so first here there is some mistakes. So let's say I'll move these, then I go here, say hey, I need background of white sound good. Oh, on hover, on hover guys, on hover, okay. Yeah, something like this, but I need this margin to be padding left, padding so as to something like this. You get me? Do you feel me? Then let's maybe change the background here. Okay, background of component. Let me change this background. So now I'm going to change the background color of this component, profile component. So I'll say something like this. This means React.Js global say border background really should have be 6 something like this guys. These. How about this? Let's put this. So I need this background to be changed. So I think there is some changes. Oh no, there is changes I think. For you to preview, let me change some value here. So see if there is changes. You see, so there is changes. Some changes has been applied here. You see there is something like a black-white background, a gray background of our 4 components. So we use Next.js syntax to put some styling in our body component here. So something like this, okay? So now let's save this. So I will have something like this: profile notification, change the password, logout. So for now, what next here? I need my div here of store to have something like border. I need border here, guys. Border radius, not border radius. I need one pixel. Sorry, the graph. Yeah, something. No, I need to apply this on a plot. I need to apply this here. Oh my god. Something wrong here. I need to close this. Yeah. Oh my god. What's happening? What's happening, guys? I think I should say margin because padding will put some additional width or height in my component. So that's why you see there is some extra space here in this sidebar component. So I will say here, use margin here, okay? So margin will fix something like this. So we'll over, and it will work fine. So for now, what next, guys? I need to make this when you use a click to display something. When you click here to display something, when you click here, also I need to make this active initial to be active, okay? So what I'm trying to do here is this. I need this to be active. So let's go here and in this, let's make this color one. So as to make it active, then you'll take photo of this, paste here, make this background. But for this to be active, I need to say background. Hey, you should have background of white to indicate an active element. So you see, this is an active element. This is your profile. So what next? Oh, there is something wrong here. I need to remove this black space. How to remove this black space? I need to say, hey, let's say margin. You should have margin of 0. How about 0 margin? Yeah, I need something like this. I'll say to it, hey, you should have margin of 0. Margin in all sides of 0. Then I need to distinguish this color. Let's distinguish this somehow. Say, hey, I need something like, let's use this. How about this, guys? Yeah, I think it is fine. It is good. It works fine. Okay. This should be applied also on color 1 dot over something like this. So very fine. Yeah, I need something like this, guys. Also, how about having here? Let's say we should have. Hey, we should have. This is border left. I think border left. Say, hey, we should have border left. Hey, should have border left. Okay. Border left of 1 pixel solid. Let's say that. to make it look good. Yeah. Oh, this is border light, guys. Sorry, border light. What I need here, I need to have something like this. So this black, this black at border. Okay, so it looks fine now. So what next? What next here? We need to add some functionality to display something. When this click, this click, this click, and this click. Initially, when this is active, it will display this is your profile. Okay, so for now, I need to go in index.js and say and have these what, let's say on a click event. Okay, so have this. Then you say, hey, on a click, let's say exclude this dot para. Then I'll say here you should exclude it dot para 1 method dot para 2 and the method dot para 3 dot para 4. Okay, let's save this. Then let's clear them here. Let's have them here. Say hey para 1. Let's make this. Okay, I need para 2. Let's make this. Let's say these guys. Okay, para 2, para 3, and para 4. Okay, have para 3 here. Have para 4 here. Okay, I'm trying to be faster because this will take much time to complete. So here I say, okay, for all of these, so I think it's very fine. For all of these, I need say hey, event default. Use event, okay? Event default. Okay, default. Yeah. Then let's align this. Let's format this. Okay. So hey, something like this. So what I need to do here, I need to say hey, on the click one on the displaying paragraph, I want something to happen. Okay, I will say hey, I want to make this dot style dot display. So dot display is equal to blog. Then this dot, yeah, we should have current here. So guys, current. Okay, good. Flow not set dot current dot style dot display. I need to have all other be none while this to be blog. So when user click profile to display only profile section, while other section should be none. Okay, so we have this logout dot current dot style. Sorry guys, dot display is equal to none. Okay, also I should have this dot, it is changes it, yeah, dot current dot style dot display is equal to also none. Yeah, so let's copy this and the paste them here. For this I have what? I have the notification section to be blocked while other none. So let's make this block. For this third one, I think it is change section. Change section. Hey, change password section should be blocked, while others should be none. Okay. And for this, logout section should be blocked, while others should be none. So I think it will work. Let's see on page produce functions. Let's object type. I think something wrong. This dot para 3, para 1, para 2. What is wrong, guys? Because in this I have difference of para 1. So this difference variable should be different to this on a click variable or on a click function. So I should change the name here. I will say, hey, let's say why. Because when we say this dot para 2, it's difference this. You see, it difference this get left instead of this function. So we should have a different name for this function. Para 1, let's say para 2, para 3, para 3, and para 4. Don't forget the name, guys. So here we say para 1. Save this para 1 again. Say para 2. Here we say para 3. Here we say para F. Okay, so everything is good. So when a user click on the profile, it will display profile section. When user click notification link, it will display notification section. When user click change password section, it will display change password section. And for logouts, I want something like this, call functionality and logic like this. So this is what I want. Okay, so for now, let's now style this profile. Okay, so I'll say, hey, for profile here, this is profile. I'll say, let's have image source. I have link for given image. This, so here you can use an image you want, but for me I have this link source. Let me use Redis of let's say 100. Let me use height here, also of 100. Let me make class. So guys, let me collapse this for so as to display it well true. Let me collapse this. Okay, so I have image, I have width of this, I have height. Then at the end I will have class name of, let's say, styles dot, let's say, flow image. Okay, so this is my styling class. Then let me close this. Okay, let me preview here. So in my profile, as you see, I have something like this, but I needed to apply some CSS here. So I will have this class. I will go here. Let's use this. Let's say I want to, first of all, I think this is, we should increase this here. Oh my god, let's say 150. How about this? This is good. 150, 120, something like this. I think let's use here to setting. Okay, so for now this is good. Let me go here and say, hey, for this image, let's see, let me wrap this inside div. Okay, let's wrap this inside div. So let's wrap this, let's use this, and let's close our div here. Let's close here our div. Okay, I need this to format this to fine. Okay, then I have class name here. I'll say, hey, this is styles dot, let's say, flow lapper. Oh my god, let's say flow lapper. Sorry guys, flow lapper. Okay, something like this, guys. So let's go here and say flow wrapper. Flow wrapper. I need this to have padding of 4% in each side. Yeah, something like this. It is based on sensible with extra space which makes our sidebar div look weird. Okay, so I will fix this later, but first let's get this a better styling. Okay, so flow image, I need border, let's say 2 pixel for the guys already. Let's make gray. Okay, how about this? Yeah, it is good. As you'll see, and the another one, I need the border radius. Let's make 50%. How about this? It is good. Yeah, it is good. Everything is good. But for now, for this to fit, to make this sidebar link in good shape, I should increase the margin of padding of this sidebar section. I think it is bad. I need the height to have, it should have maybe, let's say, padding of, let's make 4. How about 4? How about 4? Yeah, it looks fine, as you see. It looks good. So this is what I want. After that, I'll say, hey, for this image, let's make this something like this. Something like this. Let's increase the size here. Okay? As you see, it looks fine and awesome. Okay, but I have small space left here in my style. I say, hey, let's make 4.1 maybe. Should be fine. 4.1. Yeah, 4.1 it is fine. So here in this image, I want to have name. Let's say div. Let's say here at a div. Let's call this div. Let's use class name. Let's call style dot flow info. Okay, for this will be used to give some explanation for our profile. I will say name. Let's use P. Let's say class name equal to style dot name. Okay, then here I want to any name tag. Let's say I want to let's say Mark Costa. Okay, Mark Costa here. Then I want another bill to provide the other further explanation or information. I say class name I say styles dot, let's say extra info. Okay, extra info. I say hey, this is profile. This is email. Let's say email. Let's grab this on spam. Say spam. Class name. Class name. Let's say email title. Size dot email title. Remember this, guys. And then let's call this. Let's call this by using span. Okay. It looks fine, guys. So span. Okay. So let me call this curly bracket. Something like this. Okay. Let me say this. Let me have another span. Say hey, class name. Class name. Let's say styles dot email dot, let's say val. Let's drop this. Let's say info at the personalizer. This is email. Okay, guys. Sorry, personalizer dot ac dot org. Okay, something like this. I think everything works fine here. I should have name. I should have email. Let's say also I should have phone number. So let's say use ID. Okay, styles dot use ID. Okay, let's say span. Okay, let's say class name. Styles dot user. Let's drop this. Let's say use ID. Use ID. Let's drop with another span here. Let's say span. Class name. Styles. Let's use a val. Use a val. Use a val. Okay. After I use a val, I need to put maybe let's, okay, something like this. I think everything is well now. Okay. So what next here? I need to save this first. Oh, something wrong. Wait. No. Yeah, everything is good. Then this div has flow info class name. Okay, so I'll go here and say hey, flow info. I want to position it absolute. Then let's say I want to top to be like 10. Light, that is lefty. How about this? Position that let's say 20, let's say 30. How about this? 30 to 45, okay? How about this? Let's say 42. Everything is good now. So we have name here, we have email, we have user ID, okay? Everything is good now. So for now, I need to add styling to this name, okay? So let's go to this name here. I will say name. I'll say, let's say font weight, bold, then I say font size, let's make 130. Okay, how about this? Yeah, let's make this 50. Let's say here we have color of gray. How about this? It's fine. Okay, it's fine for me. How about you? For me, it is fine, but I think it should be black, black gray. Let's add some blackness here. Let's say hey. Can do something like this. Maybe some black. How about this, guys? I think it looks fine now. So we have name there. Another one we should have. This is for name. This is for name. And this position, I think it should be maybe for the lane. How about this? It looks fine. So now we have email. Email. Where's email, guys? I have name here. I have email, this class name, email title. Okay. So we have email title. Let's add this styling email title. So for this, I will say, hey, I want color of gray. Let's use this. I want to use this same color. Okay, paste this here, and I will say font weight bold. Okay, then I will add. I will say, hey, margin left, not left, right. Should be maybe 8 pixels. Okay. How about this? Yeah, it looks fine. But I want margin top. I want margin top. Margin top. Oh, sorry, margin top. Margin top to be 0. Okay, not working. Okay, how about margin bottom be 0? How about this? Yeah, it's working fine, but let's say here margin top we should increase to maybe 5. How about 5? How about 5, guys? Not look good. 8, 7. Oh, I think it's not working here. Let's set this. Hey, I want maybe 2. How about 2? How about 4? Yeah, it is fine. Okay. So here, what next? I will go to this email value and style it. So I have value here. So let's go and add the styling to value. Let's use value. Let's say, hey, I want the color. I said I want to use the same color here. Let's say font weight, bold. Okay, font weight bold. I want the. How about this? I think it looks good in my case. Okay, then here I want to style this user ID. So go to user. Where is user ID? User ID. Let's add this here. Something like this. Let's say, hey, this user and user value. So add the styling to user and user value. Okay, I have user. I will say, hey, for user, the same styling. I want color of this. Then I want font. That is font weight. Yeah, font weight of bold. For that, I want margin light of, let's say, pixel. How about this? Then here I want to make this to to have, I think this is a big margin or big space, so I need to reduce this space between this email and user ID. So what I will do here is I want to let's say I have user, I have val, I have extra and user ID. So for extra here, I say here for extra, I say extra, I use margin bottom, let's say 0. How about this? Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. So we have user ID of this. Okay, email user ID. So then let's add here. It is user ID. Oh what? I have user bar, not user ID. Let's imagine top 0. I have user value. The same color, the same font weight of bold. How about this? It's okay, it's fine. Then here I needed to add button here for, let's say, edit profile. Okay, so I should have button here of edit profile. Go here in the but first I need to jump this section top. To jump this section top, I will go here to position at first, then top, let's say 28. I think it will be fine. Yeah. So we have extra space here to add edit profile button. Okay. So now I'm going to have button here. Okay, say we have, let's say buttons class name. Let's use styles.cbtn, something like this. Then here I should say here, I should say, what about, let's call this, let's say edit, okay. So we have this button, let's add styling to this button, btn. Okay, let's use btn here, guys. Btn, let's say, hey, I want border, let's make first border none. Okay, then I can say color, let's use the same color. Then I'll say font weight of border. Okay, bold. Okay, then let's save this. Then let's add here. I mean, we should add something like, let's add some styling to this button. Let's say, okay, let's say face padding of 2. How about 2? 2 works fine, but how about 3? I don't know, 3, I think it is good, but you need to add padding left. Let's make 5, guys. Okay, padding right. padding line, let's make it 5. Let's make it 5. Okay? How about this? Okay, it's good. It's good. It's okay. But let's add edit profile. Instead of edit, let's say edit profile. How about this? Yeah, it is good. Then here, go here and say, hey, I need to add this some border. Border, let's say 2 pixels, solid black. How about this, guys? It's okay, yeah, it's okay. So we have something we want. So this is edit the profile button. So I think in this section we are good. We complete the profile section. Okay. So from now let's go. But I think this section should jump top so as to have some space between this button and the margin, outside margin. Okay, so let's say here let's say top, let's make 25. How about this, guys? I think it's okay, it's good. Or 24, let's try 24. Oh my god, let's say 24. How about 24? It looks fine. So for this section of profile we are good. So this is the user profile. Here it will be his image, it's his name here, it is email or her email here, and here user ID. So you can customize this section to have as option you want according to your requirements. Okay, but for me it's okay. So for now, let's go and edit this notification section. Okay, let's go to notification here. For notification section, I need to have text. Let's say texting, hey, you don't have any notification now. Let me use semantic React header. So I have said to you I will use some component imported from semantic UI React. Semantic UI React works just like a bootstrap. It is the same. It is the same, and they have the same functionality. So for this, I will use header semantic UI React header and icon. So I will say hey for this. Hey, you don't have any notification now. Let's say here we want to use header from semantic UI React. Okay, that one I have imported. This one header, this one icon from semantic UI React. Okay, so I have header. Another one, I should have another section where yeah, it's okay, it's here. We have header. Say now, let's complete this. Say this header should behave as h2 tag. Okay, and it should have text align to center. Okay, so hey, you don't have any notification. Let's use icon here. Icon name. Let's start here from semantic React icon. From semantic React icon, I made the bar icon. Where is icon? Icon. Yeah, this one. Select this, then search for bar. Search for bar. bars. Yeah, I need this bars. This. So copied. I'll go here and I say name is equal to bars. And then let's say this. Here also I need the color of gray for my header. Okay. So let's test this. Let's test in notification. Hey, we don't have any notification, but I think I should remove this text align center. Let's say text align left. Okay. How about this? Oh, let's remove this. Okay. I think by default it will be aligned at left. So how about this? Let's go to this section. Hey, you don't have any notification. Also, I should make this header log much smaller. So let's use H4. How about H4? It's okay, but it is. Let's use H6. Really? It's okay. But this, not this section. I should have some margin here, margin top. Okay, so I'll say not sec, not sec. I'll say hey, we should have margin top of, let's say 5%. How about this? It will not work. How about 50? Oh, it will not work. Ah, my god. This should be in not sec and in not plus sec, okay? So I should use it here. How about this? Yeah, it is fine, it is good, it is okay. So for this what is this? Yeah, yeah. Also, when user clicking notification here, I should make this white color, active color, to be in notification, okay, and not in a profile. So when user clicking this color, it should be in notification, and in profile, since it is inactive, it should be black background. Okay, so this gonna let's set this on on click of this. Okay, so I'll say that is background. I'll say this dot para. It is para. Dot para one. Dot current. Dot style. Dot background color. I think background is equal to. Let's see, para black. Yeah. It is. Let's make now. Okay. Then I should say this dot para 2. Yeah. Dot current dot style dot background. Sorry guys, my typing. Background is equal to. Let's make it white. This dot we have paragraph 3. Also, we should make background of none and the para 4. Okay. For para 4 also dot style dot background. Okay. I think it will work. Okay. Did you see? So also on first click, I should edit this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, for now I think also, okay guys, don't forget when I say para 1, para 2, para 3, para 4, it is this. Profile, it is para 1, preference, notification, it is para 2, change password para 3, logout para 4. So when I say background none, this means they will have none background, but still they will occupy parent background, which is black of their parent div. Their parent div have background of black. Okay, so something like this, guys. Okay. Also, this should be placed on this also, on this para one, in part one. So when someone click a profile, we should make all this notification change password in logout section having background of none. So here I'll say for part one, which is profile, should have background of white, then for other should have none. Okay, so as you see, so this will be applied also to para 3, para 4, and so on. So for this, which is this volatility is change password section. So this is para 1, para 2, volatility, para 4 or para F. Okay, so for this I need only this to have background of white, then other to have none. Okay, also this will be applied to para 4. For para 4, this para 4 section should have white, and others should have none. Okay, so something like this. So look here. So this is what I want, guys. Where is it? Over. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. So let's now. So on this, hey, you don't have any notification now. For this, hey, your Mac post, you have email of this, you have used the ID of this. Click here to edit profile. So notification, this one for change it password. I think I should have the same characteristic. For this tutorial, it's too long, so let's copy here from hey, you don't have notification. Let's copy this to this. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. Okay, let's paste it here. Let's format this to look good and say, hey, let's say this is a change password section. For this I should have input. Okay, input of hey, you should have label. This class name. Oh, there is too much code here, but I want something to look fine, guys. A lab. Let's say old password. Let's break this. Let's say input type is equal to password. Input type password D. Let's say it you have class name of input. Until let's say here also we have this, we have break tag. Let's make another label. Let's make class name styles lab 2. Say this. Let's say this. Then I will, for this I will say old password. Let's say new password. Okay, new password. For new password I need something here. Okay, for this one, I think I should have input of type the same. It is password, then the class name of input, something like this. Let's use red tag here. Okay. So this, and the at last we should have button. Okay, submit button type or type it is submit type submit. Then we should have class name. Okay, class name of sub. Let's say class style dot sub. So for this also I should say, hey, here also, oh my god, here also I should have styles, okay, of input. Then this I'll say change, okay, change. Then here this should be included in form tag, okay. So let's use this. Let's say here we have form. Let's say form here. Let's use this. After that, let's press this. Okay, it's okay now. So change password look like this. So I should add some styling to this. Old password, new password change. Old password lab2 int. So add here styling. Okay, I will say lab. For lab, I should have font size of not for font size, guys. Let's say font weight of bold. Let's have color. It is the same color to others. It should be here. Let's say this. Let's copy this and say, hey, here, this color. Another value, font weight, we have color. Let's say font size. Font size here, let's make 100%. How about this guy? How it will look? It will look fine, but for now, I think this form should have class name of style dot fm. Let's say this. Okay, now let's go here and say, hey, for this I should have margin top, let's say 4. Okay, how about this, guys? It should look fine. Yeah, it should look fine. Then for input, I should say for input, I should have the same property to this, okay, to this button. How about this? None be this. Okay, remove this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, I need border than. No, oh my god, this is input. It is not button. So let's remove all of this and say for this input, this I should have, let's say border now. Okay, order none. Then let's make radius of 100 pixels. Let's make height of 30 pixels. How about this, guys? Oh my god, let's say design. You want to open an answer. This should be 250. Yeah, it looks fine. So we have old person, we have let's add border here. Border, let's say 2 pixels, solid, let's make it gray. Oh, gray. Okay. How about this? It looks fine, okay. But for lab 2, I think lab 2. For lab 2, should have same properties to this, but I think we should improve some margin here. Let's increase margin top by 2. How about 2? Okay, we have 2. It's okay. So margin top is 2%. Let's make 3. How about 3 again? It's okay. So at the end we have changed password button. So what is class of this button? It is sub. So let's use here sub. Let's, oh my god, let's use this same property to this. Okay? Copy, paste here. Let's save. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it is so much big. I think we should say, hey, we should remove this padding of the. Let's make padding 2, padding 3. Let's remove this. How about this? I should say, hey, you should have margin top. Let's say 2%. Okay. How about this? It looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine, but I should have, I think, padding. Oh my god, padding of 1%. It's okay. It's okay. So old password, new password, then we have changes section. Okay, so it's fine. How about logout? Let's say click logout. I think it works fine. It looks fine for me. I don't know for you, but for me it looks fine. And then you've got something about React, about user profile, about semantic React component, about Next.js, and so on. So profile, this is profile. We have notification section here. We have change password section with all the password, new password here. Then you will save. Okay. How about logout? Only click this. User should be logged out. So I should say here, hey, where? I should say here. Let's check this to this. Let's copy this. Okay. Because we're running out of time, our tutorial is so much big. So let's make this shorter by copying some code from one area to another. So here I'll say you have been logged out successfully. Okay, So you have been logged out successful. But this logout section, I think, should have some margin of padding top. Logout section, yeah, this one. This make padding top. My God, padding top of 5. How about this? Look fine? Yeah, it look fine. So this is our full profile section. I know the tutorial is too much long, but I've been trying to explain and to code everything from the scratch so as you to get something and to learn something. I think it looks fine for me. You can apply this in any project you want. You can customize it. Feel free to ask me questions. Feel free to tell me which topic you want to learn next. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and I will try my best to make you understand different concepts. So this is our full profile section, and this is what I want to teach you. To teach you how to create, how to use React to customize and to create this, how to use semantic UI components, how to use Next.js. So everything was fine, and maybe if you want to ask me questions, you should ask me in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to give you a correct and a rightful answer. Okay, so this is what I want. So we have profile, now cost dash dash dash. We have notification. Hey, you don't have any notification now. We have change password section, and we have logout. So I think everything is good. Bye bye.